Good day, everyone. So today we will going to tackle about Southwest Cross Bank case analysis. But before that, allow us to introduce ourselves. I am Jane Tadlas.
I am Rosemary Teresa Pil.
I am Chelsea Jane Diabinuha.
I am Adriel Sweden.
So the first that we're going to tackle is the evaluation of the case. In this case, Southwest Cross Bank decided to undertake a 3 billion euro change program to enhance operating efficiency, drive down costs, and raise customers' clerk interface level through automation. For the most part, merging various elements of operation and centralizing routine tasks help to boost efficiency. However, employees and customers become more under pressure. The employees suffered from the growth of pressures and circulation, the customers from cold treatment. This case reflects on the issues and scales, transformation, and the conflict between the top management imposed process changes and the human touch. First, we have the Southwest Cross Bank Operational Change Program. What is working? Centralization of routine tasks and space optimization. What is not working? Customer dissatisfaction and employee morale. Southwest Cross Bank Operational Change Program is a concept whereby tasks are shifted from original locations with an intention of cutting costs like shifting of checks handling and phone calls from branches to enable branch staff to concentrate on core functions such as customer service as well as sales. Further, the work done is processing centers is also centralized, which minimizes space and branches and thus cuts overheads. However, such changes can prove costly to service delivery as customers who preferred personal interaction with organizations. Administrators are likely to be offended as been witnessed in the complaint with reference to call centers and automation. However, new could create negative impact to the performance as customers facing rules and demotivate demotivate employees like Christina to feel that they are isolated, pressured, and bored at the same time. So next is the branch employees reactions, which is kananggi kwanla si Christina Kasansky. What is working? Employee awareness. What is not working? Resistance to change and lack of clear communication. Christina Kosansky, a branch employee with years of service, fears that new changes will make herself and other branch employees more anxious and bored at work because the change will claims that all back office will be eliminated. This also make her believe that failure to communicate the change from the management could make employees rebellious and detached. Lastly, Christina has concern with regard to escalating expectation to entertain their customers and sales orientation that compromise the employee's satisfaction. The third one, check processing center, CPC, and Saudi's Lowiners experience. What is working? Team based structure and operational efficiency. What is not working? Monotony of tasks. And the CPC Salvia works in a clear organizational structure with a focus of teamwork, having meetings and develop rules of workers that improve organizational culture. Automation, another area, is also applied to the smooth processing, the check, and optimality and the discharge by her team most essential tasks. Nevertheless, there are some pros associated with the job. Salvia struggles with daily monotony and fine-stated process that require constant manual input as the automation hat cannot handle them. The work is well organized and as a result of the work maybe become repetitive and more even demotivating as Sylvia says the task may be one become meaningless in an automated system. Lastly, we have the customer service and the call center's criticism. What is working? Cost reduction. What is not working? Impersonal service and negative negative impact on the brand. Although the use of call centers and automating bank processes decrease the cost and allow the management of great number of routine queries, they pose certain difficulties. It becomes impersonal, thus customers tend to feel like they are some number in the organization's database rather than directly interacting with the organization. This is well illustrated by complaints from customers who cannot access branch employees, particularly branch managers, indicating that there is demand for individual attention. Controlling expenses is normally a good idea when it becomes to improving the overall position of the bank. However, this action can easily backfire since the dissatisfied customers will switch to another bank. It could be said that general intention of the Southwest Bank to develop the efficiency and to cut the cost. Correct. However, there are some problems. It is quite shocking that the changes may be occurring in a polarized manner because while the employees may be happy, there may be complaints from customers how they are being treated. To achieve these changes, it is recommended that Southwest Bank should concentrate on tackling remuneration to the employees and attaining right measure of cost leadership together with customers RAM. If not done so, it can lead to negative feelings in employees and in the customer as well. So I'm passing the floor to Ms. Rosemary Peel for the post solution and changes.
So, mabuhay everyone. Madungog ako. So, mabuhay everyone. My name is Rosemary Trasapil, and let's proceed to propose solutions and changes. So, in this part, to address the operational challenges faced by Southwest Cross Bank, it is important to implement strategic and operational developments that align with these goals of customer satisfaction, competitiveness, and enhancing efficiency in the banking industry. So, this part aims to tackle key issues such as changes creating a negative impact on performance, failure to communicate the changes from the management would make employees rebellious and detached. Work may become repetitive and even demotivating for employees with CPC, and customer dissatisfaction towards call centers and automating banking processes from lack of customer attention. So here's the proposed solutions. So the first one is balancing automation with personalized customer service. While the implementation of automation has improved the company's operational efficiency, Southwest Bank must ensure um, South Southwest Cross Bank must ensure that customers are still valued and connected. To address customer dissatisfaction, they should implement a hybrid service model wherein it combines automation with personalized customer service. Whenever customers want to talk about their complaints and queries, they can openly address that to the administration through in person or video calls. According to Heikenschap in 2017, personalized customer experience can increase revenue and loyalty. Identifying your customers' wants and needs could be one thing that can bring customer retention. But if you don't know your customers that much, it could lead them to choose your competitors instead. So the next is enhance employee communication and engagement. So Southwest Cross Bank must enhance their internal communication and make employees involved in the development process. To reduce anxiety and resistance from the employees, the company should provide transparent communication regarding the changes of the operation and let them know about their rationale and benefits. Offering training programs also enhance employee skills for customer facing roles and other responsibilities to boost confidence and productivity. As stated by Vaughn Carter in 2024, McKinsey and Company's research shows that organizations that implement excellent change management practices are 6 times more likely to exceed or meet their performance expectations. Without proper management practice, it can lead to failure and chaos. And then addressing monotony. Oh, ako na. Ano na? Addressing monotony and enhancing job roles. So, Southwest Cross Bank should introduce job rotation and enrichment programs for employees in the CPC since monotony is quite a challenge for them. This allows employees to work on diverse tasks, enhance and develop new skills, where it can help them to divert from boredom. It aims to provide employees with a greater sense of fulfillment and accomplishment in their work. So, job enrichment increases employee motivation and reduces burnout, which benefits not only the company but the employee experience as well. So, the next slide is presented by Miss Chelsea Apina.
Okay, thank you for that, Miss Beal. I'm going to continue the proposed solution and changes that we are going to implement or um, emphasize in this case analysis. So, redesigning call centers for better customer experiences. So, Southwest Cross Bank should implement customer-centric protocols in its call center operations. So, rather than relying on scripts, Southwest Cross Banks could train representatives in empathetic communication, active listening, and enhancing emotional intelligence, fostering a sense of hearing, value, and connection with customers. So, with the help of AI assistants for handling routine queries efficiently to help employees give more focused to personalized supports. So, a company that makes every customer interaction a positive experience can strengthen the relationship with the customer and build long-term success. Um, the other one is the other one and the last one is the implementation of customer feedback. So it is highly essential that the company understand and improve based on customer feedback. So whether it is a positive or not, to be able to grow and not be stagnant in the industry, Southwest Crossbank should establish a real-time customer feedback system to monitor and address each complaint about the services and unmet needs, such as surveys, customer service apps, casual interviews, and etc. So, by implementing these solutions, Southwest Cross Banks can develop and effectively address the operational challenges they are facing. So, these changes will improve employee morale, but also strengthens customer loyalty, leading to sustainable growth and success for the bank. So, that's all for the proposed solution and changes, and Miss AJ Rosen team will discuss about the recommendations.
Um, okay, so in this part, is the recommendations for the bank. So first is the enhanced task variety at branches. So introducing diverse tasks at branches can increase employee engagement by providing opportunities to utilize varied skills. So by offering opportunities to apply a range of skills, employees can experience a more dynamic and fulfilling work environment. So, according sa study from the Journal of Business Research 2021, they indicates that task variety can improve job satisfaction and reduce employee turnover by keeping employees engaged in their roles. So, second is to promote team collaboration. So, implementing a team-based goals and reward system to foster collaboration within branches. So, encouraging encouraging collaboration through team-based goals can and incentive fosters camaraderie and productivity. So, according to McKinsey, he stated that team-based strategies can also lead to a greater innovation and workplace satisfaction. So, third, the next slide is to communicate and involve the employees in changes. So, regularly update employees on organizational changes and involve them in decision making to build trust. So, pareho sad ni sa kadtong medyo gi-mention sad ni sa kadtong proposed solutions. So, according to Deloitte 2019, organizations that prioritize employee communication experience smoother transactions during restructuring. So, fourth is to implement employee support programs. So, in the bank, they should also introduce employee assistance programs to help staff cope with stress and adapt to changes. Labi na katang may problem sila nga. Medyo na change sa ilang bank tapos medyo wala sila na inform. So this could include counseling, job coaching, or peer support groups. Such programs can help employees manage the pressure of their new roles, particularly in customer facing position and or in the monotonous task at CPCs. So according also to Ryan Pendel, 2024, employee assistance programs significantly improve mental health and workplace adaptability. So, fifth recommendation is to foster open communication. So, murag parehara sad din siya sa katong sa number 3 nga communicate with the employees and changes. So, they should establish regular communications channels between employees and the management. So, this includes feedback sessions or regular surveys to understand the concerns and suggestions of the employees, particularly during this period of significant change and allowing employees to voice concerns and feel valued. So, according also to Rebecca Knight, she stated that regular feedback improves employee morale and organization responsiveness. So, the sixth recommendation is to offer a flexible work and arrangement. So, particularly for employees working in centralized locations or those performing repetitive tasks, flexibility in scheduling improves work-life balance and reduces employee burnout. So, again, Rebecca Knight stated that flexible work reduces turnover and increase job satisfaction. So for the last recommendation is they should improve job rotation and cross training. So by implementing a job rotation program where employees can periodically switch roles to gain new experience and reduce monotony. So this is specifically important in centralized operations like the CTC. So where repetitive tasks can lead to disengagement. Like since balik-balik ka lang mga gipang trabaho, medyo maboard ang mga employee. So, according also to the Institute for Employment Studies, cross-training initiatives are associated with improved adaptability and engagement. So, these recommendations for Southwest Cross Banks are to address employee concerns and improve operational efficiency, particularly in response to challenges posed by centralization and role adjustments. So, and that would be all. Thank you.
So thank you everyone. That is all a report regarding the case study of cross Southwest Cross
Thank you,
Bank.
Tay.
Thank you for listening and have a great
In this place, thank you.
Oh man.
Next slide.
Huh? Ay, hindi ay. Mo na.
Yeah, thank you
Thank
very
you na po.
much. Thank you
Wala ko.
very much, everyone.